Well, hello and welcome to I Love Gay today. And we are jumping
Hello.
into and we hello and we are with Carine from near Brussels in Belgium, but we're jumping into the world of major lesbian events in Europe. How are you?
I'm good, thank you.
No, it's
Just
great.
preparing next festival, so
Yeah, which is coming up very soon. It's called Velvet
yeah.
Ibiza, and so it's in Ibiza in Spain. And but it's coming up what in May, I think.
Yes,
Wow.
2nd to 7th of May.
Yeah. But for those that don't know about your event, Velvet Ibiza, it's from the United States point of view. It's kind of similar to what some of the major lesbian events like Dinah Shore Weekend, Aqua Girl, but in Europe those don't exist quite as much. And you're like one of the largest, and kind of in some ways you've kind of got a great market there as far as
Yeah, that's one of the reasons I wanted to organize Velvet Ibiza because there isn't that many festivals and nothing similar as Dinah or as Aqua Girl.
yeah.
And for this, I chose Ibiza because it's in the south of Europe, so it's a little bit warm in summer, in spring.
Exactly. But it's what it's like it's 5 days, and it's not just pool parties and so forth, but you've really incorporated a lot of other elements, yoga classes and so forth. It seems very all encompassing.
Yes, exactly. It's a 5 days stay in one hotel, so I want uh, everything to be on one spot, so
Yeah.
they don't have to go out. They can go outside, but they don't have to. Everything happens in one hotel. We have a big club next to the pool. We have an outside theater, so
Wow.
there is beach volley. Everything is happening in one place,
Yeah. I noticed.
which creates a family feeling immediately. It's very special vibe.
Yeah, but I noticed it's interesting because this year that your host hotel, Cala
La
Martina.
Martina.
But what's interesting for those of us we're on the outside looking into, it's this historical hippie market. I've been to Ibiza,
Yes.
but I don't think I know of the hippie market.
Ibiza is known from the 70s as being the hippie island, and our hotel is one of the spots that were created in the 70s.
Yeah.
And so the hippie market is the oldest and the biggest of the island.
Wow.
And it's happening when we are there. It's happening every Wednesday in the season.
Really? Wow.
So yeah, it transforms the hotel in one big hippie market. So when you go outside your bungalow, it's like you're in another world.
Oh, one day I'm gonna have to experience that myself. So, but no, and so and as far as like some of the parties and so forth, you got some really top DJs coming as well. Yes.
Yes, that's for me very important as being an ex DJ myself.
Okay.
I pay a lot of attention to bring a good quality of music to
Yeah.
book only top DJs from all over Europe, even from America.
Yeah.
And I pay extra attention to the diversity in music
Okay.
because at lesbian events you find yourself with women of all ages,
Yeah.
and it's very difficult to please them all, and that's what I want to do.
Yeah. Well, it's exciting, and I know that I've recently seen some stories and articles about this, and what I'm going to do is when we post this, I'm going to make sure we link not only to your website and social media, but to some of the articles there as well. And I just think it's
Nice.
amazing what you're doing, and I can't wait to be able to see all the photos and stuff that come out on social media in a few months.
Okay. Thank you.
Absolutely. But thanks so much for being here and sharing a bit of your story with our audience.
My pleasure.
All right, great seeing you.
Bye bye. Thank
Feels
you.
good, so good.